Right after using chassis black last week, we wet sanded and then tack rag, and now Wick's just hitting it with pre, and then we're gonna shoot the gray.
That might take 3 coats.
Yeah.
GM was like, we're not going to spend hours and hours fucking
Making the trunk perfect.
yeah. When nobody gives a fuck about it. I mean, that's the thing is, I think in the restoration process we obsess over shit that the factory never fucking gave a fuck about.
And that's where the term over restored comes from.
Yeah.
Which we see a lot of stuff that's over restored.
Yeah.
But
A lot of shit that's over restored and shittily restored.
This was shittily over restored before we got here. Now it's just kind of,
Now it's going to be over restored, but properly over restored.
yeah, or as close to properly as we can do.
Yeah.
Because we have like total 3 days plus in this
I wonder
trunk.
if I should push this thing back in for a little bit and let that metal cool down.
We could. Man. I mean, you gotta be like 40 miles away. Definitely got flavor, man.
Fucking respirator on it like I don't need it.
That's starting to look good, man. There you go. Just let it rain in there.
Oh yeah.
That looks pretty damn factory.
I'm sure it's not how they did it at the factory because I only had 5 cars go by.
Yeah. They'd be like, Wick, you're fired.
Yeah. What did I say? 1 minute for a fender? 1 minute to put a fender on or something?
Yeah. I got a feeling it's when we do a fender, it's going to take us like 4 hours.
Yeah.
Maybe 6 if we're having beers.
Yeah.
That looks good. Looks like you only got to touch up this little bit in the corners up there.
Yeah.
The learning curve was quick though. There
It's the vertical surfaces that are hard.
Yeah, because it likes to just,
Hit it.
because it doesn't get to rain down on it
Yeah.
like the bottom.
Man.
Like I would try to do that quarter panel from over here, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like shoot all the way across. Too close.
Trying to get up in that corner back there.
It's definitely hiding
Yeah,
the wonky shit.
Yeah.
Man, that looks good. That looks absolutely factory.